Shopify, Shopify, Shopify. What is Shopify? Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to create online and offline store. Online through a website and offline through a point of sale system. Just like content creators use YouTube to upload their videos and bloggers use their website to upload their articles, similarly, Shopify owners or sellers used Shopify to sell their products by listing their products online. Anyone may set up an online store and sell their items using the subscription-based software. Technically, Shopify is a cloud-based software as a service SaaS Shopify cart solution, but essentially it is a website that lets you make your online store through which you can showcase, sell, and ship products. It comes with a range of tools that help you to analyze every aspect of your online store. With these tools, users can design customized online experiences for customers and maximize the return on investment on their marketing spendings. So how much does Shopify cost? There are basically 5 plans which is provided by Shopify. The first is Shopify Lite. Shopify Lite is only $9 per month. The next is Basic Shopify, which is $29 per month. Shopify Plan is $79 per month. Advanced Shopify is $299 per month. And Shopify Plus, you can just ask Shopify for the price. If you want more details about the pricing and the comparison of the plans, you can click on the video which is in the I button and it will give you a complete understanding and the comparison between the plans. Now this takes me to the next point, that what can you sell on Shopify? Users of Shopify may sell almost any physical, digital or dropshipped good. People sell a wide range of items such as ebooks, clothing, household supplies, digital products, beauty supplies, gift cards, and much more. Now let's see what you cannot sell on Shopify. Alcohol, tobacco, e-cigarettes, fireworks, drugs, firearms or weapons, and all illegal items are prohibited to sell on Shopify. Do you know that how does Shopify work? Let's see. A small business can use a Shopify to quickly set up on an online store. Here's how Shopify works in a nutshell. Number 1, build your store. Shopify offers 60 plus shop templates or themes to choose from, which can further be used with a drag and drop functionality to create the store. Colors, images, and fonts can all be changed. The site will be responsive as well, which means that it can be used on mobile, tablet, computer, on anything. You have unlimited amount of products to list. As I said, that it comes with a drag and drop functionality, which means that it's very easy to use. Even the non-programmers or the one who don't know how to code, how to write a website, how to develop a website, they can create their online store using Shopify. It's that easy using Shopify. Now coming towards the second point, set up your payments. Among most of the payment methods, accepting credit card is the most famous one on Shopify. And it's very easy to set up your payments using the Shopify. And the most famous one is the credit card. Although there are many other payment methods as well. Sell through multiple sales channels. With Shopify, you're not restricted to only using Shopify. You don't have to sell your products just your online website. You can use Shopify to list products on eBay, Pinterest, TikTok, Google, Walmart, and many more. And this takes me to the next point, that set up the POS site as well. So if you want to sell the products in person as well, then you can set up the POS site as well. More information about the POS site is available in the end of the video. The next point is track your business. Shopify has a dashboard that displays reports, analytics, and other information on desktop and mobile. You can manage things from Shopify mobile app as well, including uploading product photos, setting prices, dealing with refunds, seeing sales and visitors, traffic basically, getting order notification and communicating with your staff, and much more. Shopify dashboard is available in many languages, and that's a help for all of us. Well, by now you might be thinking, let's shift my website to Shopify. Or you might be thinking that let's start selling on Shopify as a new seller. So if you're considering Shopify, take the first step to sign up for the 14-day free trial. There is no need to enter the credit card details for the trial. All you need to do is to enter your contact information and answer some basic questions, which is regarding the business and the website. And that's it. You can start the free trial. You can just add your products, create marketing campaigns, change your store front design, add an app or two. The key here is to make sure Shopify can handle all your daily operations. And that's a very brave move from Shopify. They're giving the 14-day trial because they're sure and they're very confident that you may convert to Shopify during this 14-day trial. You can look for any advanced features you may need, such as filtered search, abundant cart notification, and pop-up promos, so you can see how those additional expenses will fit in your budget. Do you know that the Shopify has an app store as well? With more than 6,000 apps to choose from, Shopify store owners have even more options when it comes to tailoring their store to meet their business needs. Whether you want to add customer reviews, manage your accounting, or add virtual try-ons to your store, there's definitely an app for that. Shopify App Store is created in such a way that apps are organized in such a way that similar problem-solving applications will be found together. You don't have to do a lot of search for any application. For those who want more control over their business, don't worry. Here are some of the ways you can customize your store. Number one, customize your theme or build a theme from scratch. Build custom apps for your store using the developer tool and Shopify APIs. Use APIs to power custom experiences like selling products in a video game maybe. Now moving towards the last point, which is Shopify POS. POS stands for point of sale. Shopify point of sale connects to that powerful back office for in-person sales, ensuring that inventory, payments, and customer data are fully synced as you make sales for the retail store. Linking in-store and online sales with Shopify helps you simplify inventory tasks, have more control over cash flow, and re-engage in-store customer visitors with online marketing. The intuitive and mobile point of sale app also make it easy to fly through checkout and assist customers anywhere on the sales floor or on the go. Shopify is a very interesting and a very attractive platform for the newcomers or the new sellers to sell their products online. I hope that this video have given you a lot of information about Shopify. If you want such videos in future from this channel, you can just write it in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any video. I'll see you in the next video, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.